everyone, another weekend for us on a rainy and cold season. Me and my husband sleep in the car for weekend because he gonna go fishing, supporting him. He's happy. This is Kuya Romy wearing a neon jumper, and this is Kuya JR, a lucky one. He got fish. He show us what he got. He got sea perch. Yep, he got the red sea perch and silver sea perch. Yeah, this is what they called. And this is Kuya Edmar, our another friend. And we're gonna go to my husband. Let's see what he got. Yes, this is his life every weekend. He's enjoying his hobby. Yep, this is my husband. He show us what he got. Restaurant. He got a big size of the fish and a small size and a good size too. So, yep, another one. He's lucky. He got a lot of fish, around 11 sea perch, different color, a red and silver. And after that one, Leah cleaned all the fish. First, get the scales, make it sure it's everything is done, and the gills and intestine. Yeah, she cleaned it properly, and after that one, they half it. They all half the fish. First, the big one to the small one. Yeah, they enjoying their fish together, their friends. And that's it, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your day and have fun. Bye.